Today I'm taking a look at the Garvee pipe stand. So it does come with instructions. Ours is the WFH-KYK, so that is a height adjustment of 32 to 55, a mass pipe capacity of 12, max working load of 2,500 pounds. That is quite a bit, and weight of about 14.8 pounds. So if you're going to be working with heavy loads, then that is exactly what you want. So we have a couple of locking pins to hold everything in place. We also have a quick adjustment right here. So if you need to extend that out, you just pull this guy down. So this is just essentially going to jam the neck of the pipe, and it looks like we got stone wheels here on the top. So that's good. We aren't going to have to worry about those wearing down. There is a carrying handle over on this side, so if we have to move this guy a long distance, it's going to be very nice to have that. And we can see we are currently jammed, so if we want this to go down, all we got to do is press that washer up and it will drop. Now we use this to lock that in place, and that will go anywhere. Now the head on here can completely swivel, but if we grab the top of the head so we prevent that from spinning, and then we spin this nut, that will unscrew so we can get a nice fine movement. So if we just need to move the pipe up a small amount, we can use this to get that adjustment. Yeah, there we go. So that nut is attached to that screw, and then we got these little ears right here which clamp onto that pipe. Now you're not going to want to thread that guy all the way out, but we do have about 11 and a half inches of length on that screw. Now what's nice about this design, because not all of these have this, if we're just walking up to it, we can grab the thing by the head and lift the whole thing up. Some of them that don't have these ears, if you lift it by the head, then you'll just pull the whole thing out. So this is a good design. So the tripod has a foot to foot of about 22 inches in total width and a height of just under 2 feet. If we unscrew this, we can take this all the way to my ceiling. So that has got quite a bit of length to it. So like this, we are looking at right around 56 inches to the center of these wheels. Now this is probably extended longer than you would actually want to have this, just because we do have this unthreaded quite a bit, and we do have quite a bit of pipe sticking out of the stand. I'm going to want to have a few more inches of meat on each piece. But it is nice to know that we do have that capacity in the event that we need it. So you can pretty clearly see that this is not going to be a good angle, because if we try to cut, it's just going to cut at an angle. I'm going to pinch that just to get it kind of straight. Then we can take this guy, lift it up, kind of eyeball it, get it pretty close, and then I'm going to use a bubble level, and we can use the screw to fine tune it. So right there looks pretty good. So now we know that that is going to be straight and parallel, so if we use the same diameter of pipe, then every time we throw it on there, we know we're going to have a nice straight cut. So we got pipe stands all over the shop. We got a V head over there, we got a roller head over here, then we got this new double roller right here. If you're doing any kind of fabrication, these things just come in handy all the time. So overall, that is a very nice pipe stand.